Stoneware has been a cornerstone product for Pampered Chef for decades. Its shapes and styles have evolved over the years, but here's what holds true. Stoneware's durability, versatility, and consistency make it a must-have for your kitchen. Stoneware makes food taste so good. It evenly distributes heat and draws moisture away from the food, resulting in crispier crusts, juicier meats, even browning, and lighter baked goods. And Stoneware has excellent heat retention, so it keeps your food nice and warm. My favorite things to cook are roasted potatoes. They come out perfectly crispy, and you don't even have to flip them. Here's a tip: cover the surface evenly with food. This helps keep the temperature even across the pan. So, what is Stoneware? It's a ceramic bakeware that's made from 100% natural material. It's pressed into shapes and fired in a kiln at extremely high temperatures. This is what gives Stoneware its strength. And since our stoneware is dense and virtually non-porous, it won't hold on to smells, oils, or flavors. No one wants their cookies tasting like fish sticks, and that won't happen with these. They're fantastic in the oven, and I love that they're microwave safe. And our unglazed stones are broiler safe. No matter what type of stoneware you choose, you can be sure you'll get amazing results. Once you start using it, you'll see how it will become a staple in your kitchen for decades to come.